Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool are here, and here's what these are some glass containers. You can see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for this pot in particular, it is a collab with the Hello Kitty brand. You can see right here we do have different sizes available. So they do provide guys 4 different sizes available for you, and they give you guys a lid, which is pretty nice. And for each one of them has its own like Hello Kitty design on here, which is really cool. So if you guys are a Hello Kitty fan, then you probably will like this collab. But this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like for each one of them. So obviously since it's glass, you do want to be careful and put it down on the table when you guys open it. Alright, so let's take it out. So right here we do have one of them. And we see the Hello Kitty design on here definitely looks very nice and very cute. And right next to that we do have another one. And inside this one it does have the little lid inside that you can take out. But here we do have this one. So this one is slightly different design. And this is a bigger option than the first one. But if you guys do put on a lid, it will look something like this. And I don't think this lid in particular is like fully leak proof, but it definitely gives you guys the protection without compared to without a lid, which is really nice. And then here we do have the lid for the other one. So it looks something like this when you guys do put it on. Let's take out the remainder too. So here we do have the other one. And this also is different design than the other two that I show you guys as well. You can see. And then here we do have the last one. And this one's also a different design. And obviously for each one of these, they are glass. So you do want to handle with care. And this one also has a lid inside. If you guys do look at the inside the lid, they do tell you guys how you can use it and where you can use it. So they mention how it's microwave safe, freezer safe. You do not want to use it in an oven. And they mention if you guys do use dishwasher, you only want to use it on the top rack and not on the bottom rack. And they mention how it is BPA free. But for this one, it'll go on this one right here. Just like that. And then here we do the last one. And this is what it actually looks like when you guys do put it on. So in terms of the size that's provided for you guys, they give you guys 2 of each. These 2 right here are the same size and the other ones are the same size. If you guys do look on the box right here, they tell you guys that the big one is 1.5 liter or 51 ounce. Whereas the small one is 884 ml or 30 ounce. So if you guys do put all of them together, here's what all of them looks like. So whether if you guys want 1 or 2 or 3, this one right here pretty much give you guys a set of all 4 of them. But I believe if you guys do go buy this in store, at some of the stores, they probably have this available individually. But for the one that we do have right here, it does come in set. And for this one in particular, if you guys are curious about where I actually got this, I got this at Costco, and I'm not sure how long they actually have this available. If you guys are interested, feel free to check it out before it's sold out. I got like the last 3 available before they sold out. But I'm pretty sure some of the other stores still have it, so if you guys want it, feel free to go check it out. They also have like other versions available, which is like a Disney version, but that one didn't really appeal to me as much, especially if I'm getting this as a gift for someone else. But here's what it actually looks like for all 4 of them. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice, especially if you guys do like Hello Kitty. But one right now is to put some water inside right here and test it out to show you guys whether or not it's actually leak proof or not. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product. Let me test it out to see whether or not it's actually leak proof. So let's open up the lid, pour some water inside. Let's make it halfway. That should be good. Close it up. Alright, so if I shake it around, you can see how some of the water leaks out. If you guys do tilt it, it still leaks out a little bit. So the lid itself is not fully leak proof. If you can see how when you guys do shake it, the water does leak out. But when you guys slightly kind of move it around, it definitely gives you guys that protection on here when you guys do put like liquid inside. So if you guys put solid stuff in here, no issue. But if you guys do put liquid in here, it probably will leak out a little bit, you can see. But the product still works as a food storage option for you to store stuff inside if you guys want to. Welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test of product. It definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. You can see how when you do test it out, it's not fully leak proof because the water still leaks out when you guys turn it upside down, just like how I show you guys in the test. But you see how when you do have the lid on, it definitely prevents a lot of the liquid from falling out when you guys do use it, which is really nice. Because usually for a lot of other lids, when you guys do use it, it does leak out. Where for this one, it does not have that issue as much, which is really cool. And on top of all that, it actually looks very cute when you guys do use it. And because the materials on here is glass, it definitely works a lot better for a lot of stuff when you guys do put it inside right here, like leftover food, or maybe meal prep your food for your family or friends or whatever. Or maybe even for yourself, if you guys don't have time to eat food or cook food, you guys can meal prep it for your work. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, Especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality glass containers to use for storage, for meal prep or whatever, that has like the Hello Kitty design on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.